Action.
Good morning, Carl. How are you?
Good morning, doctor. I'm fine, thank you.
Carl, you participated in our psoriasis study for about 3 months. For how long you have psoriasis right now?
I've had psoriasis since I was 38 years old is when I first was alerted to it. So I'm 55 now.
Oh, great. So do you think your quality of life was affected somewhat with your skin condition?
Me personally, no. I never let it affect me. It's not the kind of thing that I really worried about. I did notice that on a lot of other people when I was diagnosed with it, that I did notice it on other people. And then at times I did wonder if I look like that. It's in areas where I never really could see myself, but other people could see. And it was actually brought to my attention when I was diagnosed that I had it. So, no, it's me personally, no, but other people has.
Did you ever use any other treatment? Did you try any other cream or lotion?
No, I did try maybe an over-the-counter cream, but I quit using it almost immediately. I was never happy with it, and the only other time I've ever done is when I've worked with you.
Okay. Now, you did show a dramatic improvement over the course of the study. Could you please share your experience about the product that you used?
Yeah. I think the biggest thing I liked about the product was it didn't feel like a Vaseline type cream on the psoriasis. It seemed, I felt a lot of times like on another product that the last study that if I touched the desk, I would always leave residue. With this product that didn't happen. It seemed to go on, it seemed to adhere to the skin and just become part of the skin, and very comfortable to apply.
Did you notice that your skin cleared up a little?
Yeah, I had certain areas that were more dense than others, and with this product, I actually seen a softness in that area that actually was stabilized to I'd love to have natural skin again, but this is probably the best it could get, close to that, and it's actually done very, very well for me.
All right. Do you think you would purchase Sariapalm, the new psoriasis treatment product, if it would appear on the market?
I do. I think Sariapalm, because of the fact to me during the study, it was so easy for me to put on, and it didn't take much time out of my day, and I could actually do the study the way you wanted me to do it, and I could apply it very, very liberally and very quickly. It really was very, very easy for me. I actually really do it. I thought Sariapalm, that's one advantage of Sariapalm.
Well, thank you so much for your help, and I'm glad you got improvement with your condition.
Thank you.